Safran Risk provides two ways to analyse risk distributions. Firstly, sensitivity analysis, which provides an automatic way to analyse the specific impact of your project risks using the risk exclusion technique. Details of this can be found in another video session. The second way is using the distribution comparison report, which allows you to control exactly which risks or combination of risks you'd like to compare. For example, let's look at how to assess the impact of external communication on our sample project. Firstly, we'll run the analysis with all our risks included. Then, when that's finished, we'll send the results across to the distribution comparison chart. Now let's label that all risks. Next, we'll go back and we'll deselect external communication. So we're mimicking here the fact that we've totally mitigated any external communication risks we may have. And we'll rerun the analysis. Let's now go ahead and send that again across to the comparison chart, and we'll call that without external communication. And you can see immediately the difference shown here in that if we mitigate external communication on the overall project, we'll save ourselves 262 days. That's at the 80% confidence level. As with the rest of the product, we can select the percentile we're interested in, and immediately the report updates. All the data is there available. We just change to the selected confidence level we're interested in. Now that's obviously a very powerful feature, but what we can also do in Safran Risk is to actually look at and compare the distributions and the effects of the distributions at either an individual activity level or let's say WBS. So let's now look at what the impact of external communication might be on the design WBS. So we've run the analysis and we're going to send that across to the comparison chart, and let's call that just design for now to simplify it. Now we'll switch back again to analyse, and we will deselect external communication and we'll send that across, and we'll again select design and send that to the comparison. So here we can see that when we mitigate external communication, we're actually saving ourselves 191 days purely on the design WBS. Now that's obviously, again, that's really useful, but perhaps the most powerful feature is the fact that these distributions can be compared across different projects, which allows you to assess how things are going, how the project is performing from a risk perspective over time.